everybody, friends and family. There is 3 cages outside with more budgie birds in. Can you see them flying around the cages? Friends and family, blue, yellow and green. Great colours though, people. Fly around inside the cages, which you can all see, and they are outside my March flat. I do like birds, like them budgies when they fly inside their cages. And look at them, everybody. I love birds. Oh yeah. Birds are amazing, as always. Oh yeah. Happy days, people. Fly around. Fly around outside in the cages on a nice sunny day. But staff from the other side, Rosebud, they did take the birds outside. I am from Bluebell because the birds are outside for us people. They are beautiful looking birds. Yay. Happy days, my people. Comment down below. Big thumbs up on the video. And see what you all think to them colourful birds. Yeah, my people. If they're boys and girls, I could probably name one boy budgie called Gabriel Martinelli from Arsenal, or Raheem Sterling from Man City. Oh yeah.